Hey mate, so you're interested in learning how to convert binary to decimal in Python, right? Well, you've come to the right place. Get ready to dive into the amazing world of binary and decimal systems and how Python can make them play nice together. Python's simplicity makes this concept accessible and fun. First, we need to grasp how binary works. Binary is just a number system with only two digits, 0 and 1. Decimal, as you likely know, is our everyday number system we use, with 10 digits from 0 to 9. Each position in a binary number represents a power of 2, starting with 0, rightmost position, then to 1, next to that, and it keeps doubling to 2, to 3, and so on as you move left. Now, let's imagine binary number 1011. This number is actually the sum of to 3, to 1, and to 0. When added together, you get 11 in the decimal system. This is the core idea we use in our Python code. So, in our Python journey, we'll start by taking a user input, which will be the binary number. Let's not forget to handle user inputs well with try except block just in case, shall we? Python's got our back on this. Now, here's the real Python code for the conversion that you are asking for, conv_binary_to_decimal.py. Paste this in your Python environment and run it. Alright, moving on to the Python code. We'll use Python's built-in int function, which converts string representations of binary numbers to their decimal equivalents. We've got to remember that the second parameter base equals to for binary numbers. So the code part is super simple. Visit Neeraj at qzz.io to watch more helpful videos on Python. Stay tuned for new Python tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe to TechLab as well. Visit Neeraj at qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab.